Okay. Koi ngarang Windows ki version sing takpa loikre. Windows ki version sing the latest oina huzik season ariba Windows version si Windows 10 ni habido koi kangre. Loina na madugi mamangda laigiba Windows sing maming oina panbada Windows 8, Windows 8.1, Windows 7, Windows Vista hariba singsi laikre. Loina na akoina nakoi ningsing kitaba mana Windows XP da Windows 64-bit amasung 32-bit haidana ani thokpa hograbni madugi matungdagi hojik fawba Windows Vista da su 32-bit 64-bit Windows 7 da su 8 da su 8.1 and 10 da su 32-bit and 64-bit haidana tongan alai masigi chanabagi matungina software sing da su Windows 32-bit ko compatibility and Windows 64-bit compatibility haidana software sing se toina lai Hojik aikoina yengadoribase basic Windows element basic ko koi sidaisda haidase basic Windows element singse kari no haibado koi nainasi koi singarang haibet panma matamda aikoina pangre Windows ki desktop basic kari no haibado Windows ki desktop ta koi si utkre Windows ki desktop haibase kadai bu koi haibada aikoina icon sing laigani wallpaper laigani taskbar laigani haibase koi takre loina na Windows ki exploring of your computer haibasida your computer sing se aikoina explore to we explore to why budi manung da yauri sing se karino kamai to no haibdo koina nainarak thirakpa matamda exploring hai ko mase karino kamai to roga explore to we agadagi haibas isam sam ne koina kaam laire kajing manung jida isda pochai thammiba sing se ka du gi chang nabagi lambi tongan lai kamaina changba haibado sab manana computer sida explore to ko matam sida koina tongan ba we lakani tawdabu destination di ama khaktang oidorini changador mong duda magi kitang mong tongan bagi kitang tongan badi yai toimsung kedoba matau karamna computer gi manung da yauri ba pochai singse haibdi software singse amasung hardware computer da connect toriba singse koina kamaina monitor tawgadage kamaina khangadage kamaina magi details lawgadage haibdu exploring your computer haibsda like you can navigate around your computer in several different ways. For example, you can view your computer's content by using either My Computer or Windows Explorer. Both navigational tools are easy to find. My Computer opens from the desktop and Windows Explorer open from the start menu. Asagi Windows Explorer haibasiga My Computer haibasiga ani je adum manai manazargazu different way ni akoina hai different ways kaiginam tano hai targadi magi changak pham du tongale masai akoina isam samna ka gi hai gibdu da panba ya bajike doba mamang thong maning thong haibuna chingba leiri se sumaina akoina changak pa ya bagi way du ne ko The following table compares some of the navigational tools you can use. अहमद navigational method हाइबम लेरे located on हाइबम लेरे displays drive network हाइबम लेरे best for हाइबम लेरे start button से क्राइ दलाई task bar दलाई माजिद केनो तोब्रा drive display तोब्रा targeti तौदे करी नो मंगोंदा starting program opening favorites getting help shutting down start button से यावरी बसिंग दुनी आई asi nataba to pa mayam yauri ko but some of the best aduni se is the high se My computer se the yes masikai the locate to desktop to like my computer se desktop to kung beyond the target ko na hap ko do ni ko the hapani then kedoba yes network only if map to drive later hai ko network hap target di map to target di ko na madu kedoba ubo pangani hai bani exploring your disk drive and using system tools hai bisil lere Windows Explorer in the start menu de yawi Windows Explorer se mase ko na shortcut keys ta koi win key plus e number matam da thokani maju display driver network tobra hai targadi tawi seeing hierarchy of all computer contain and resource in a one window matang da network neighborhood ka masi kai da lay desktop da masina kaino hai kan da yes displacing se drive tawi only for network koi my network na ma na koi he taram mani ka computer gi da network thaba icon amaga thokpani madun utka doise kaino just only network se kaktani browsing computer on your network se daisda madu browse to yagane ko akoi hojik se daisda urip se karino hai targadi taskbar ni sida leirise mathakta leirise taskbar ni ko taskbar sida koi kedore start button lei system tray icon lei pin tawraba already application running leire sida time leire so nakan gi sida show desktop ni system tray icon ni sida nangi icon sing hide to give duna sigi arrow sida gi uba pangani leiriba singse button on the taskbar show you which windows are open even if some windows are minimized or hidden beneath another window. You can easily switch to a different window by clicking the taskbar button. I ngarang hai gi duni sidai sida akoi gi light gray akoi gi yamna kari hai tare apaba da light akoi gi kari hai tare light gray hai tare ka light gray machu sida highlight tawraga leiriba singse this application are open and this window is also open ko makoi singja application singja hangtorko matamda dung window hai doini so the windows this 1 2 3 4 windows are open currently those all the windows are minimized makoi singse minimize ni akoina click tawo matamda isam sam nai horen sigi section 3 thabsida click tawo matamda it will open otherwise kedawa windows media thabsida isida click tawo matamda kedawa it will open so you know switching the different windows the current running windows it's very easy that you can click on the window name on the taskbar on the taskbar the lady wishing the click the matam the irai line adu open to yagneva using the start button sidai lady start button season you can accomplish almost any task you can start program open document customize your system get help search for items on your computer and more start button sida is the maximum loy le ko na koi na season agada bunga hek khang da khang draba application sida sorry computer sida karai da yawi ko kai da is khang da targadi you can use the start button to easily find out whether that application is there or not. Some commands on the start menu have a right facing arrow which means additional Asagi akoina start button sida some smaina click tore kan sida arrow mo yaudra arrow mo yaw said this has some additional features additional kari kari lairi have do additional sing duni ma sida recently open to give a sing ko adugi file maming oi bi ke do bi sida yaw sing okay so asigi post ni again sida right left arrow se akoi ngasai ke doba right facing arrow se sida zu lei risini ko all programs service sida every nangi program sing do loina ubo pangado ni nebo so now mathang da muk yengsi some choice are available on a secondary menu if you place your pointer over an item with an arrow another menu appears so jiki aina click to matam da tholak kai dun ka depending on how your computer is set up your start menu may looks like different from the following illustration ka ngasai gi leiriba nangna start nangi computer gi keno se setup se sigi matung ina su nangi start menu se tongan ubu pangani haibu ni ko se ulising sa yengo sidai sida nangi this is the start menu hauji hauji lai is the start menu ni once nangi start button sida click to matam da nangon da kari ugani menu mu ugani this is called start menu ka masi start menu ka we and this is start button to use start menu click the start button the start menu appears click the item you want to open point to items with right facing arrow to open secondary menus asagi akoina haido kedoba nangi sigi secondary keno sida is the click targadi it will open the secondary menu singdu ugani otherwise you click on this icon then this application will launch it my computer sida lere ko my computer se nang na hangma matam da kamai no ugada ga my computer is helpful if you prefer viewing the content of a single folder or drive when you double click my computer on your desktop available appears drives appears in a new window when you double click a drive icon a window appears sorry a window displays the folder contained on that drive you can then double click a folder to see the files it contains Sidai layer say nangi computer to ni my computer ki content to kamainu uga the gato. Sida uriba sing sina hard drive to ni how many hard drives you have in your computer. This is the partition, and this is the additional OD drive. This is your DVD drive, and this is virtual drive. Virtual drive, virtual CD drive. Virtual hybrid kaino hai kan physically it is not appear, but it is there in your computer. Image in uvo port adugumba potuni ko virtual has this virtual driver is required to install some of the ISO files. Not install, you can open ko files in the ISO files in the open to bumatamda. The ISO files can be opened using this drive. Masi je maming tongan adum laibani ultra ISO, power ISO gano ko. Those are the virtual drives in order to use the ISO files on the computer without burning on a disk. Disk sama da chak triganda sidai da season anabduni ko. Okay, so na kan gis the ladies na kaino this is your navigation pane. Na koi sidai da ladies navigation pane you can add, you can see the favorites, you can see the libraries, and you can see the computer drive also, and the network is here. Network is ang asay ko na hay duni. If the network is connected, if there is any network drive, then you can see it. Mataw karam na koi ugada ke habado. Let me show you. Okay, koi just a computer like this is my computer. So you double click toro, then you can see this. Here you can see a drive which is installed, which is there on computer. That is their IP address is 192.168.0.4. Hi riba computer sida ladiba sida all student files have a driver say it already mapped into the my computer. See using man sida cross mark ladies this system is not on ko. I would imagine it's not available right now. If the system is available, then it will be on a green, and then I can open the disk drive. How's it? I know she's hang up on a matamda kari error la edu yen siko. She double click to matamda kari hara connection ko restoring network connection and haratra. That means she message se pura puri an error occurred while reconnecting this Microsoft the part not found has it. This means nangi ngasagi network drive to hangaga laite habni ko. Here I do have a two different virtual CD drives ko. Sina kaino hai kanda maming je dum thola ngani sida isda click to matamda sina ultra ISO ni ko. Kaino properties yengo matamda tholak tre ko. Properties yengo matamda thok hardware. Sina power ISO ni sina ultra ISO ni ko. Aigi sida dum yong ani sida ultra ISO haibama ultra ISO thole ko sa, and then power ko POWER power ISO haibama ma sida logo je mo se si launch to matam da power ISO si launch to ke ko sida thole ba logo se sida thole ba logo se si ani je manadra si khangjalo ko si adum hayeng akoina kona nakoina yam toina seasonar kanda dum khangakani application gi logo sing sida application gi magi logo shortcut ki dum ubune ko sina power ISO ni sina ultra ISO ni khangani ko koina nga sai gi do task bar sida lairiba application se koina ujik sida hanga lairiba application sing se yam line switch to we ahead sam line ujik command prompt switch to ge yare ultra ISO the switch to ge yare, and then akoi PPT do chake sini ko ujik lai do sai aduna sida piriba wahi sing se sigi definition sing se na koi gi PowerPoint share to budu da paro khangda ba yaur ga su adum hango ko. Then some of the following icons may appear on your computer window. Havani sinakarino drive to ni, sinakarino nangi network to ni, sinakarino CD-ROM drive to ni, sidai ladies view tools and menu ma yauri, and then setup nangi printer singi setup tawna ba yauri, and then view the folder contains folder singduna sumaino uganeba. Kangani ka. Next network I was a kainong yengase. network se karino na ikoi nek nei narak pa matamda ikoi na ningsing gadaba se kari ningsing gani hai ta gadi hausi hausi mioi kharna adum network sa madi network to ine madi network yawi ne na ta hai ba mayam tarang gani mokoi sing do dum ningjang over that you know you can easily remember the definition of the network as a computer ki londa ek hai target kaino it's a computer connected never group of computer connected to one another have never I mean each and every computer se loina connection laiba they can communicate means they can transfer data they can share data amongst them adugi potune hojik network hai bi ngo any network hai matam da kaidawi moigi downline ana loi lerangani leiribe myam jing se kaidawi kaigo isam samne information ama gather tawno matam da akoi myam du pau faunarangani isam samna product sell tawba ka network organa product ki information law na bu hona bada but atopa person ama who is not in their group makhoi ki group ta di yaw da ba atopa person ama da nang na kaidawi product to ki information hangu taragadi khangoi product to nang na kaidawi moida explain tawraga moidu mu kaidawa product to season ha larga mu kaidawa mokoi do group to the pusalakpa matamda again they are also a part of nangi group to the lakadoi neba then that is the network harakadoi neba ko aduna network haibase isam sam na kaino hai tar group of people ko ikoina ningsing ba yabase definition da computer in a computer harakadoi ni ko group of people say amongst them mokoi kaidawa they have a proper communication मखोई की मरकता प्रॉपर कम्युनिकेशन लेबदो कइदवी नेटवर्क इसम समना इखोई की इमुंग फैमिली हरसे इखोई की फैमिली सिदे सिदे लेमिनरी बा इचिलिनाव मयाम सिंसे कइदवी वी ऑल टॉक टुगेदर का इखोई लोइना वारी सानै नत्रा पाव पावनै दिस इज आवर लोकल नेट अखोई जिन नेटवर्क ने कोई जिन नेटवर्क नि यस दैट इज अ लोकल नेटवर्क ने इखोना ममिंग थोलकनी लोकल नेटवर्क हाइबसना कइनो अदुगा ग्लोबल नेटवर्क हाइबसना कइनो हाइबा मलाकने ग्लोबल इज नथिंग बट द इंटरनेट का हाइरकदोइनी का अदुना नेटवर्क हाइबसे कइनो it is a group of computer connected to one another so that they can share resources such as files and printer ko haibadi isam sam na ai hoi da leiriba ai gi computer se da yauriba files ma'am sing se share to we aba ai gi printer ma khak leijaba se ai install tawraga all the computers ai gi leiriba computer ma'am sing se season aba yana ba ko sigi pose aikoina kari kawi hai targadi network neba isam sam na koi facebook ayase Facebook hai Facebook se karino server amada ada computer amada khilli neba ko computer sida is the khilliba nangi account hangaliba kholaliba mayam jinse magi date computer sida nangi data loini store tori neba and nang kadawe nang na sona kanda any computer amada ki season aba ya halli neba worldwide neba sina worldwide kawi ko adi internet ki through the season ar ko yar ko je tabudabu nangi files indo computer amada store tori ni you can switch or you can use multiple computer or multiple mobile phones in order to access your profile files natra but madugi file sing do krai da kai nang na seasonariba laptop to the live nateba nang na seasonariba phone to the live nateba your informations are stored in a server am the store to galai never that server is nothing but the network ne ka the lies in your computer sorry if your computer is connected to a network you can use network to browse network resource in the same way you browse the content of your computer I quite isam sam nang ki computer se is the internet ki wafam se ngakang thaidoga file ama nang open irai line open tawi irai line open taw se sab manana nang ngasai ke dawa network se lai targeti nang ngasai ki computer do hang ba ya do ne ngasai note ki ba all student files and hide ba folder do if ke go madu ki system do on taw targeti I can easily explore that folder I can easily access those files which are stored in that particular folder khangani ka masigi pose la ka do ne ba to open the network resource I was there is the high second on the desktop double click network the computer in your computer work group appear if you want to view all of the resources available on the network double click the server and folder you want to open just as you would open drives and the folder on your computer nangi nasagi computer da tawjabasing do adu cha manai ekoina hangadoise hojik mana sida uliba network windows sida sida kaimti yawda bani ko network se hangba matamda hojik aigi system da mung yengsi aigi system sida network icon yawbra yawde ko network icon se network icon se kamaina hapni hai targadi koina to we have se personalized sango desktop icon sai se sango network hai se sango and then apply to ro then okay si to kan ke dore nangi desktop ta network icon appear to romani silere ko network icon se nang se double click to ro network se hangma matam da network discovery is turn off hare ko network computer akai is turn on to rani masi turn on to ba matam da akoi da hojik sida phangi jango sida ama phange ko Hikvision gim phange cool dot ama phange sigi Hikvision je kaino camera ni ko ai gi camera akoi gi hojik sida sida kedoriba ai gi CCTV login to rise lairise CCTV ai gi install to rise mokoi sing se loina sida sida ubo phangne ba CCTV camera se akoi na sida Google Chrome da dia de ko Google Chrome da yengwada nungaite sumaina koi password tawraga aigi CCTV camera jingse live view yengba yaneba adu masi koi tok thoje aigi IP ke ga je keno tawbunina ko akoina khangadab je duni ko network se da turn on tawre harga nang ke dawa nang ki folder sing do access to bi ai okay next am ge ngasi file management through Windows. In Windows, file and folders are two basic units for organizing data. File ibisina karino, folder ibisina karino kangoro ko. File amagi manung da folder ama hapayadi. Remember these things. Folder ke manung dadi you can keep subfolder as well as multiple files. Subfolder to zo as mayama thambi ai as many as ko nang na pami budo. And number of subfolders you can keep inside a folder and number of files you can keep inside a folder. It depends on your memory available. A file contains related data. File se there keno data sing se like never. Data means a piece of meaningful information is known as data. Means karino. So there is the in a file ama hai se keno. That is also a meaningful information. Ka. Some na I know the file management through Windows and this is also a meaningful information. This is data. Nothing but data. Hi, remember I'm saying file a file is given a name and it's stored on a disk so that it can be read whenever required. Whenever required. Karang kanda nanging asai file se nang napama ba matam da khagtani ko. Hojik aina season ai se kaino nakhoi PowerPoint section 3 hariba files in aina hojik season ari se. This is a file which I require currently so that I can explain to you what are the information, what are the data are there inside this file. Data in file can be anything. A document, a program, a piece of music, or record sound in an image. File se karama makan ki file oibe yai habda document oibe yai. Aikoi no jik ngang ibai nang sai dagi PPT gan pallu se sigi PPT se kaino nothing but aikoi na kaida lani document lomda consider tawgrane document sidai sida. A program is kaino isam samna aikoi na karigumba software ma develop toren khalaji adu target madu program file ne. A piece of music oibe recorded sound oibe image oibe video oibe ko hai mem sing se kaino file ne. Usually we can recognize type of file from its extension name. Masagi koina file extension sing se koina nan nainagre dana .mp3 karino .mp3 se kaino sound ni ko .docx kaino document file ni .ppt kaino nangi presentation file ni .xls karino excel file ni .dat kaino nangi video file ni .tft kaino nangi image file ni .jpeg karino nangi image file ni masi kaino extension ji dagi khangeba okay adu itar gi hauji nang nang sai sigi program ke ka hai gi kaino layeba .c kaino C program file ni dot C cp karino nangi dot akoi gi kaino ni program file ni C++ ki HTML karino nangi hypertext transfer protocol ki hypertext markup language ki adugumba file ni sidai sida leiri atopa kari leiri .php ko so minor leiri file sing se magi tongan ba extension file loina legini extension file do ki matung inna idoba nangi file types to khangane ba yantarni ko but where is folder the d like ko extension je folder the you can give a name okay folder doesn't have an extension. A folder is a special type of files that contain lists of other files or folders. A group of to group all the related files, we keep them in a folder. Otherwise, it will be very difficult to find a file from a single list. A folder works as a filing cabinet where we arrange files related to a common purpose. Folders है अकोइना type of file and treat तवे मसी अकोई की है नकोइना operating system से द Linux की matang da nainarako matam da akoi hoju pawda nainari basida is operating system se Linux ti yaudri Linux natraga Unix na lakpo matam se da oi maming budi pangre ko lakpo matam da every things ko makoi gi system da yaw basing se file na trick torakane yantarni ko adubu Windows tadi we have a different section that is the files and another one is the folder. Folder can contain list of files and a folder, but files contains only related data. Okay, so next, Windows Explorer. If you prefer to look at your files in a hierarchical structure, you will like using Windows Explorer. Instead of opening drives and a folder in separate windows, you can browse through them in a single window. The left side of the Window Explorer window contains a list of your drives and folders, and the right side displays the content of a selected folder. You can use the view menu to change how the icons in the right half of the windows appear. Hi, Windows Explorer se sina my computer to niko aman se uli se my computer ni it should not be confusion ko ai ulak ko hojik aikoina sidai sida hangise kaino this is your my computer. This screen, this window tells you that this is your my computer. Now noren sida hangma matamda si urakane bako but Windows Explorer dane Windows Explorer sina akoina kaidawi hai kanda sidai sida yaungani ko okay Windows Explorer sida yawi ko I shortcut keys the namge tawani but I would like to tell you that where it is located and how to open using the start menu. I amka halake start menu se start button click karo start menu cholani then go to the all programs accessories accessories then you can see Windows Explorer over here kangani ko si click tawa matamda ani je kenaba jengose my computer say amuka hangake ko so that you can easily understood the difference between the my computer and Explorer. Sin Explorer ni then I use my computer hange. You can see the difference. Khangani ko sa difference kari oi have to khangam natro. My computer de hai khangtar kadi you can see all the drives available in your computers and the Windows Explorer dana kay ba you can see a libraries. Sida is the kaidawa nang na sida click tawa matamda you can see all the files it's under this folder ko magi sida is the layer matung ina sonda loina uganeba again this left side se navigation pane si left side se navigation pane and the sonda ugado ripsina nangi sigi folder sigi manung de yawudune so that you can open like this kenabdu khangauro ko sa kenabdu khangauro these are the data okay these are the files you can easily get to know Hangani ko sa nasagi ako na extension da hai gibdo sida ujik pdf je .txt je si text file ni aduga sida sida si sanam pdf ja sina linux ki apoi program ni linux program ki file ni sida pdf ja sales file ni extension je magi shell ni sida si sanam pdf khangadra
khangani
okay. To use the Windows Explorer, to view your hard disk, as you click the start button, point to the program, and then click Windows Explorer. So program sigi matung da accessories na sangadam ni ka. Mo is steps samjale. Point to the program and then click the Windows Explorer. I say program sigi matung da ba accessories and then Windows Explorer. In the left pane, click the letter that represent your hard disk drive. Masagi ako na the navigation pane the click tawrokanda pangidoniko. Click the folder in the left pane of the window to display the content in the right pane. Masagi left pane do kaino hai tagadi navigation pane and then right pane do the magi containing the uganeva. Click the plus sign to display the folder within a folder. To open a file or folder, file and folders you have to click on the right pane the lanika. Click the drive contain the file in the Explorer window. Double click the file or folder you want to open. If the file is on another computer, double click the network neighborhood instead of my computer. Ngasagi kay gumba network to nangi file sa to pa computer da later gadi my computer da muta network neighborhood to ina click to hai baneba. Okay, masi register ulijini ko sa. So na nang na click to rani magi se click to raga ngasagi navigation do utre ko. Ay yung ka hai ge. Suppose say my computer do koi hang close to see all programs, accessories, and then Windows Explorer. Windows Explorer sida sida to matamda sin navigation pane lere next the click to. Sida click to matamda loy hanga ne bako. Sa sam na sida click to. Click to re hange sida sida umko click to ro hange sigi hangi ba mayam sing se kone ke do ba sida sida click to matamda son da thola ne ba. Then you can open again hierarchy yenge hai targadi sida click toro nang cs book sida umsango si hierarchy nangi leiduni ko sa sida is the c++ ebooks lere so nakanda file sing se loina urani then you can easily open from here khangani ko okay makhamu yengsi to copy a file or folder city copy file folder to bagi city na koi adum khangani isam sam right click to raga adum control C lorani aduga control V torani to move files dragging instead of using menu hajina koi drag and drop to ni sidi hayang practical da dum ekoi phajana dum ta si nainarasi but meantime da na koi na to we abse PPT se angtoga yengo you can read out these steps so that you can remember practically hayang to matam da kom na ba to move a file or folder is manner ni to quickly send a file folder to another place is na koi adum paro to create a folder kamai create to da have duni na koi siya na mana khanga ba nakta ni ka adagi mathang da muk to change the name of the file folder that means the rename to matam se na koi na khanga da se it cannot contain and it cannot contain the following characters sigi high special si v na te ka si slash ni slash ani ni sing is na koi gidu da yaw ba yade so you must remember these things these are the special character which is not allowed in a file in a name of file mathang da tu pura shortcut kisi jo steps sing se na koi yengo so that na koi remember na koi steps sing ningjang targadi we can do the practical in the practical room and lockdown lo kan da dum tawna ba again delete a file delete a folder kamina delete togani have to see the right file to select click to biro aduga right click and then delete number matam da dum yare to print a document again some manage the PDF steps so steps is the higher na koi nekta print over practically print tawdragadi kanagumba kharadi adum kawbasu yai. So try to remember these steps so that we can easily kadoba hayeng practical da yamna line cover up tawba ngamnaba. Matangda multiple files and a folder select tawbagini control keys in America. You can easily select the multiple files, or else you can press the shift key and then you can select the files also. Multiple files is randomly select the waiba aduga kogi pull up sabun noina range ama the select the waiba maga adumaina laini ka. Okay, ako using essential accessories as in hayeng tawsi ya ako matam sidi yam lai select re ai hujik yam thuna utke nangi hujiki ako na multiple file select over je si hujik yango angon da si sumaina amount tanam ge haiba se ako na kai doi select over je amount tanam ga sumai select over ya adu multiple files natte ba sumaina mouse na click tawraga sai drag tawta ga this is multiple files ne ba click tawraga left click se tawraga sumai drag tawga da nang na pam ba jaga otherwise natragana si mathaki je nambiro control shift namjalo aduga nang na pami ba jaga du ba click tawba matamda amukta da nang kedoba multiple file select torkane ba aduga control sina kedoba randomly ayni kedoba aisi amam da khange marakta si kedoba randomly ni aduga aida show idana sigi section 3 1 thabaje kedogra show idana masi select option